The word biased means it's not fair, and unbiased means it's fair. For example, if I had a dice, the chance, a fair-sided dice, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The chance it will land on either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 is 1 out of 6, because I only got 1 and 6 options. 1 out of 6 for number 2, 1 out of 6 for 3, 1 out of 6 for 4, 1 out of 6 for 5, 1 out of 6 for 6. So this is the probability it will land on 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6, and they're all the same because this dice is unbiased, it's fair. Now, if I roll the dice and I get 2, the chance of that happening is 1 out of 6. So the probability of getting 2 on this dice is 1 out of 6. If I roll the dice again and I wanted to get another 2, the chance of that happening is also 1 out of 6. So it doesn't matter if the previous one was also 1 out of 6, it doesn't affect the next chance. So if I was to roll the dice 100 times, how many times would it land on 2? So I'll do 1 out of 6 times 100. And the answer of that is 50 out of 3, which is 16.6. So that's roughly 17 times. So if I roll the dice 100 times, the chance it will land on 2 is around 17 times. Now this is when I have an unbiased dice. What if I had a spinner with 4 sections numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the outcomes can either be, it could either land on 1, or it can land on 2, or it can land on 3, or it can land on 4. Let's just assume that this spinner is biased. That means it's not fair. So it's going to have more of a chance on landing on one section than the other. So for this one, it's got more of a chance on landing on 3. So here we can say it's got 0.4, and this number will be given to you. This probability will be given to you. So the chance it lands on 3 is 0.4. The chance it lands on 2 is 0.1, and the chance it lands on 1 is 0.2. Now, if the question says, find the probability of this spinner, of spinning it and it landing on 4, how would I find that? Well, all probabilities add up to 1. So this whole line should add up to 1, just like the dice. A 6 plus another 6 plus another one, another, all adds up to 1. So this, again, should add up to 1. So I can do 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.4 to give me 0.7. And then I could do 1, take away 0.7, which is 0.3. So the chance that this spinner lands on 4 is 0.3.